90% of our lives are spent indoors, crammed into offices, apartments, and classrooms where CO2 levels soar up to 3 times higher than outdoor air. That brain fog, those headaches, it's not just the boring meetings, but it's sick building syndrome. High CO2 reduces cognitive function by up to 50%. Now, most people think plants are the solution, but one plant only filters less than 1% of all indoor CO2, and in our cramped urban spaces, who has the room for the 40+ plants needed to make a real difference? Between watering schedules, maintenance costs, and the constant cycle of replacing dead plants, creating an indoor green space seems impossible, until we look to the oceans for answers. Meet nature's original air purifiers, microalgae. These microscopic superorganisms have been perfecting photosynthesis for billions of years, producing 70% of Earth's oxygen. Now meet the Vayu, the world's most unique liquid plant. Using billions of nature's most efficient organisms, one Vayu delivers the air-cleaning power of 40 traditional plants in the space of a coffee machine. By naturally reducing 80% of CO2 in your space, Vayu improves focus and productivity by 15%. It's like bringing the freshness of a garden right to your desk, helping you think clearer, work better, and feel more energized. Watch as your Vayu transforms from clear to vibrant jade green, creating a living, breathing piece of art. More than beautiful, it's filtering dust, absorbing pollutants, and generating fresh oxygen 24/7, just like nature intended. The future of indoor green spaces is here. No watering, no maintenance, no headaches. Just a simple monthly refill delivered to your door. Experience the power of nature, reimagined for modern life.